Yeah, I got my bird buddy. I got some mulberries and this little, let's see if it wants this little worm. Hmm. Oop, almost. Yeah, there you go. Hmm. Yeah, so she hasn't eaten since I found her, but I didn't know if she was really up for it without being able to lift her head. So I mashed this up pretty good. And then I was looking for something to maybe help clean her up a little bit because she's got, been kind of shitting all over herself in the box. So she's not really very mobile, but she does seem to be getting some strength in her neck and ability to articulate her head. And she does grasp my fingers with her feet more than she had been. So all those things are good signs. So I wanted to offer her food if she wanted it, and water. She'll take water when offered. And the bird rescue place, if they're open today, they'll open at 9. So I'll call them shortly and see if I can find out anything of use. But I might have to feed her with a dropper. There you go. Now let me see if I can get that worm for you again. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Get that worm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Oh, here you go. Mm. It can pinch at it, but it can't really throw it back. But yeah, I got this shallow basin over there in a spray bottle. I'm going to try to get her cleaned up a little bit because she's got shit all over herself. And change her bedding in her box. But yeah, that's about it.